Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Really simple chicken pasta salad today. So we're going to need some cooked chicken, pasta of your choice, sweet corn, chopped onions, a little bit of garlic, mayonnaise, some Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to be using a little bit of paprika, or you could be using some chili. Could not be simpler. Get yourself a nice large mixing bowl, in go all the ingredients, give it a mix, and it's done. Think about adding some, chopped green or black olives in there, or some other vegetables or herbs. So simple. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.